Hey guys, so I'm here with Bree and we're going to do the cinnamon challenge. Are you going to do it or not? Okay, so it's just me going to do it. So I've got cinnamon. It's not coming out. Is that enough?
No, keep going.
Gotta keep going. Keep going.
That's not.
Stop.
There we go. I'm gonna show you. You gotta show them.
Can you shut that, Daniel? Okay, so I'm about to eat it. Alright, so ready?
Oh my god. Don't.
As you can see, it's pretty dangerous. It's all over her head.
I got a vomit. That's vomit.
That's funny, she tried it.
That's vomit.
Show them the vomit.
And as you can see, she vomited.
Oh.
Fill that up, someone.
No, not me.
So that's what's called the cinnamon challenge. Bye.